Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to walk you through our 2020 Volkswagen Jetta. Please ignore the 2022 plate, as this is the 2020 that was just plated wrong. Finished in a beautiful red exterior with a nice black leatherette interior. Comes with a sunroof. Back seat space is ample, as you have lots of leg space and head space, with a nice view at the front. Coming around now to the trunk space. Plentiful again, with a 60-40 split in the bench with easy to pull switches here at the back. Making our way now to the driver's side here. You do have manual controls for the seat for height, backrest, and forward and back adjustments. You got your window switches and your door switch. Jumping on into the vehicle here. This vehicle comes with blind spot and rear traffic alert. Currently sitting at 40,700 kilometers. Classic Volkswagen steering wheel with your cruise control buttons on the left side and volume control on the left, with media, Bluetooth, and dashboard control on the right side. Up front, you will have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You also do have backup camera here with AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Down low, you have automatic climate control, dual zone, so left and right side can be different temperatures. And you have your USB input for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto down below as well, with a nice little cubby section. Push to start, electronic parking brake, engine on and off, and eco mode. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly show you a couple of the features here on our 2020 Volkswagen Jetta Highline. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions, and we hope to help you soon. Thank you. Take care.